Hi, you gorgeous soul. Welcome to Sassy Seema. Today, we're diving deep into the ancient Indian science of Vastu and learning how you can use it to supercharge your love life. Did you know that the way you arrange things in your house can secretly affect your relationships, your romance, even your passion? Stay with me till the end. You might just discover the real reason love seems so close yet so far. Clutter equals emotional blockages. Is your house secretly killing your love life? Every forgotten object, every dusty pile, holds the fingerprints of sadness. Old clothes, broken electronics, useless gifts. They are not harmless. They trap old memories, broken dreams, and dead emotions. They create invisible walls, blocking the flow of romance, of intimacy, of hope. Your soulmate's energy is trying to find you, but the clutter stands in the way. Tonight you must choose. Cleanse your space, or keep sleeping inside a tomb of lost love. Sleeping the direction equals lonely nights. Where your head rests determines whether you sleep in peace or wake to a lonely, empty life. If your head faces the wrong direction, your dreams leak away, your bond weakens night after night, betrayals creep in, distance grows, hearts break without even knowing why. Remedy: make sure your head faces east or south while sleeping. East summons fresh passion. South anchors commitment and deep devotion. Anything else, and you're letting misfortune slip between your sheets. Mirrors stealing love energy. Mirrors are portals, but not always for good. A mirror facing your bed reflects away your love energy while you sleep. Intimacy fades. Trust dissolves. Partners who once burned with desire suddenly grow cold, distant, hungry for someone else. Every night you sleep facing a mirror, you feeded your passion until nothing remains. Cover your mirrors tonight, or let them keep feasting on your heart. Dead plants equals dead relationships. Dead plants are death itself. Keeping dried, dead flowers or wilting plants in your bedroom invites decay into your relationship. Their lifelessness spreads through your home, through your heart, until all that once blossomed dies. Love, joy, laughter, all wither away. Unseen, unspoken. Only fresh, blooming flowers deserve a place near your bed. Throw away the dead, if you still wish your love to live. Fix these hidden mistakes tonight, or stay trapped in a house that loves your loneliness more than it ever loved you. If you love these powerful Vastu secrets, imagine what more we can unlock together. Hit that like button to send some good energy my way, and don't forget to subscribe to Sassy Seema for more bold, beautiful tips on love, life, and everything spicy. Share this video with someone who deserves a little extra magic in their love life. Until next time, stay sassy, stay powerful, and stay irresistible.